creeks and backwater sloughs are found all across America, and they're all filled with fish.
Oh, that's a nicer one right there.
All it really takes is for you to get out there on an early morning and to find them.
Good morning, everybody. It is, well, it's sunrise, and we're currently fixing zippers. We are
That's what Velcro's for.
we're out here at a local spot. Actually going to be fishing for crappie. I've never been here before. I thought that the spot was bigger, but from space it looks really big. But once we're here, actually it looks really, really small. I actually hunt ducks right around here somewhere. Yeah, so we're making our way.
Downtown. Walking fast, facing fast.
I wish this was downtown. I wish downtown looked like this.
Oh, gorgeous.
Not quite.
Downtown Alaska looks like this.
Yeah. So there's a couple bridges here. Oh, this one looks like it might have bass in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna go down to the next one. The next creek. Oh, train bridge. This is kind of weird. Okay, wait, let's walk over here. The people bridge.
Oh, poor Louis. He was so scared.
Oh, I know. Little Louis. Louis kind of hates, we could probably try with this on the way back. Might have something in there.
When we come back.
Yeah. This place is a little bit sketch, to be honest. Shotgun shells everywhere. What is it? Beer boxes everywhere. Two guys camping right up there, but you know, they may have just been fishermen. But yeah.
Pick up your shells, pick up your trash. Brought it with you, take it with you.
Yeah, people are crazy.
Don't be a wad.
Look at that sunlight.
Gulp. This is Nenny's favorite snack. Gulp.
Penny loves that shit. She eats it like crack. Goes through my stuff looking specifically for gulp. If it's not gulp, she won't eat it either. Yeah, just slide it up the hook from the head. And then you want the hook to exit on the dark side.
Oops, he's kind of crooked.
That's okay.
Oh well.
Okay, there she goes. She's hooked up. She's hooked up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Just walk them right on up. Walk them right up onto the shore. Here we go. Yay. Black crappie. Beautiful big black crappie out here.
Yay.
How do you feel?
I didn't feel anything. I felt this weird, like, getting stuck, and then I was like, oh, it's a fish.
Black crappie are one of the two species of crappie, the other being white crappie. Both of them love minnows.
Look at a nice shot of it in the sunlight.
It's more comfortable to do it this way.
Okay. Nice pumpkin seed right here. Real pretty fish. Took it as I was swimming it around down there. He's big enough. Palm size. Yeah, man. Haven't had a good little fish fry in a while, so we'll be taking him. Sweet. Not a crappie. Get a bit of water. Perfect. Totally forgot. I bought this thing a long time ago. Seen it on a YouTube show a long time ago. Yeah, I had myself a self-imposed size limit. Now a slab should be over that. Oh, hold on, his head goes in there.
Yeah.
Yep, perfect. He's almost 12 inches. Nice, dude. Do it. All right, drop him back in there. Perfect. What a good slap. And I got a little bass. Yeah, it's a little scrappy little guy. He's been caught before too. I thought I had a nice big slab crappie on there, but nope. It's little bass. It's a whole bunch of bass around here. Very cool. Yep. This is a very unexpected fishing that we did today to switch over to bluegills, but the crappie seemed to have stopped biting.
I cook them kind of like my minnows. But I pull him up here so he gets stuck. So that way they don't fall off.
He was right on them. All right. Is that one any bigger?
No.
Same size?
Copper?
Yep. We are we're having a good time out here catching panfish, bluegills, double. Oh, that's a nicer one right there. I'll show you guys how to make a sour fish with a fermented kind of vinegar, and you fry them up, and oh my gosh, they're so good. You're on? Nice.
Opalescent. They have a little shift of blue and purple. Right by the mouth. Okay. Oh, purple, yellow, blue. That's so pretty. Green. That's so cool. Wow, big bass, big bass, big bass. Wow! 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 On your tiny ass fucking line with your tiny ass hook.
Yep. Hey, that's it. That's all you need right there. Tim put some jigs here though.
Yep.
I'm gonna let her go.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, you're gonna eat her?
No.
Why not?
We got enough fish to eat already.
What?
Yep. So yeah, I was just swimming that little crappie jig on in, guys, and look at the mama that decided to eat. Anyways, I'm gonna let her go. Okay, girl. There she goes.
Bye bye.
What a pretty fish. Yeah, pretty stoked, guys. Hey. Yeah, good job, guys. That was freaking awesome. All of a sudden, my bobber just went down. I sat there, I'm like, oh, I'm stuck. Nope. Started swimming around. I'm like, oh no, I'm not stuck. That was freaking awesome. In fact, I saw her blow up over here earlier. She's probably eating a, I don't know, a bug. It's freaking cool. Oh. Well, time to catch some more slabs. Let's go, baby. Okay, everybody. Do not do what I just did and fall through the railroad bridge. Holy shit. Look at that, I actually broke it. Okay, yeah, that's why you stand on the metal. Oh my God, look at, I'm all messed up now. Holy shit, I went right through this thing. Gosh, dang it. I thought I stepped off and went into like a hole here or something like that. Holy crap.
It's broken.
Instead, I broke that.
This one and that one's
Hey,
broken.
if that ain't a sign to lose some weight, I don't know what is. Although I'm kind of looking down here and I think this hole looks good to fish in. Might fish right down here, right on that pylon. So how'd it go today?
I was outfished again, as usual. I got one big one.
Barely. I got 2 teeny weenies.
Yeah, but you got a mama bass. But
Yeah, but she's just for sport. We're here to catch and eat.
biting. There's a bunch of goldfish down there, and they're not biting, so go home and we gotta eat, and maybe we'll come out tomorrow, see if we can get some goldfish. We'll bring the warmithies, and hopefully they might take a liking to those. We'll see.
Or bread.
Or bread, yeah. Yeah, ooh, put a piece of bread on the hook. Ah, that's fucking hilarious.
Alrighty, let's jam, baby. Today I'm going to be making fermented fish. This is nam powder. It's to make a sausage, Southeast Asian sausage of cured pork. What I'm actually going to use it for is to cure my fish, and then from there, the fermented cured fish I'm going to be cooking, I'm going to be frying. The small fish are perfect for making fermented fish because what will happen is it'll absorb the powder a lot easier. It's important that on big fish, you score the fish like this so that the seasoning packet, the powders inside, get inside of the flesh right there. Oh yeah, that's 3 pounds. So with one packet per pound, I'm gonna be using 3 packets of powder here. Also along with that, we've got a whole head of garlic. That's gonna go right in there. Got chilies, Thai bird chilies, that's just for flavor. Seasoning salt. This is what's gonna actually cure the fish. Make sure everything's all flavored correctly. And the funny thing is, this container was big enough for my last batch. But seal this sucker up. You don't have to seal it like this too, but this is just about perfect. If you can get one of these, it's awesome because it's so easy just to mix the stuff around. Leave it out somewhere cool and out of the sun for 12 hours minimum. And so what that'll do is it'll cause the bacteria and the yeast inside to help ferment the fish. The fish will cure in about 24 hours. Stick it in the fridge immediately so it doesn't go bad. And once you're done with that, it'll keep up for 7 days in the refrigerator. Let's see what we got here. Actually, it's been longer than a day. It's been a day and a half. And there it is, everybody. Simple lunch. Miss Anchovy's working, and right now I'm not, so this is a simple lunch for today.
some pickles. Actually, keeping with the theme, we got pickled fish, kimchi, dill pickle slices, some pickled garlic and grape leaf, and all to go with rice, water, and ice cubes. That's right. This is so good on a hot day like today. Get that all mixed in right there. This is hot. Those are cold. Everything is slightly sour. Let's go for the fish. So remember, the fish is not burnt. It's the sugar that's inside of the cure. So it actually looks darker than it really is. You have to fry it a little bit. The reason why I wanted these little guys is because of this. Eat them bones and all. Ooh, that's sour. Straight through it. Delicious. Give me some rice. Holy crap, you guys. That is good. Kimchi. Some of that pickle. Oh man. Hot and cold lunch on a day like today. So good. The crappie, bass head. Let's have some of that bass. Nice flaky white meat. This is a small bass. I usually don't keep any bass larger than, say maybe about 15 inches at the very most. Sometimes not even. There we go. That is so good. Just bomb. Bomb-alicious. Taste test difference. I usually don't like crappie too much because they tend to be very soft fleshed. But the cure, I think, helps with that. Try it. Oh man, if you guys haven't tried that, even if you're scared of the pickling, first of all, don't be. Secondly, if you are, then just fry it. Fry that sucker crisp. I'm gonna get to eating, guys. I'm not gonna finish all this, but oh my gosh, I have some left over for Miss Angela when she gets home. See you guys later.
Hey, there you go. Yeah, look, you tiny. Didn't even swallow my half red one because I need these small.